Okay, so hello. I'm so sorry for the voice and for the look. I'm a bit sick, and that's why the only solution for screen recording and talking at the same time I came up with is this. With all of that being said, I would like to start my presentation. This is the part of my POL where I'm moving on to my final presentation of my ICT class. So in this presentation, I will first tell about the project. I will explain the challenge and the tasks that I was required to do. Then I will share my sheet that was the part of the project. Then, since the project called DDW, Data Driven Wellness, the part of the project is collecting data and analyzing it. So my series that I based on my analyzed data and my goals from my series. Then I will share graphs that tell whether or not my theories were proven, and then we will move on to the result. So since it's not the POL and you, the person watching this video, know the challenge and the point of the project, I will skip this part and I will, but on the POL I would tell about this. So first thing I noticed while analyzing the data is why so sad. I was collecting data about my mood, and you can see from 10 it's pretty low. So I was trying to understand what is the connection here, and my first theory was sleep. So I set a goal to sleep at least 7 hours a day each day while I collect this data. So yeah, and you can see that I really did start to sleep better in the second half. But then when I was building the graph, we can see that there is no correlation between hours of sleep and my mood. Then I thought, okay, maybe if it's not sleep hours, maybe it's stress. Maybe I'm sad because of the amount of stress. But as well, as you can see on the graph, there is no correlation. And then I checked others, other types of graphs, and I tried to find correlation between different data and still couldn't find it inside of the data that I was collecting during this project. So my next step would be to try to find what makes my mood so low outside of the data that I collected during this project. So maybe there is other factors that I didn't track and they still have a role, etc. Maybe I should I don't know, get external help or something like that, but I need to find that. And the last part is the reflection. So first of all, the challenges that I faced during this project was mostly due to consistency. It's hard to track something every day, so because of that I chose to track the most easiest variables that I know that I would actually track every day. For example, for my diet, I didn't I wasn't counting separately proteins, carbs, and fats. Instead, I just picked a yes or no question, like, did you eat meat today, yes or no? Because that is the most important part. Because I know that other than that, I eat pretty healthy. So that's, and I know that a yes or no question takes 5 seconds, and I will do it every day instead of counting the carbs and farbs. Yes, that was the main challenge, but I solved it. I found a way to overcome it. And the lesson I learned is that everything is in my hand, that if I set a goal to sleep more, I will. The only thing I need is to know why is it important, because so that if I will sleep more, my mood will be better. And also to find the problem, and to find the problem, projects like this, when you track your life, could be helpful to identify the weak parts and to improve them. Thank you for your attention.